Here I have Google Pixel 6 Pro with Android 13 installed, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. I mean, on this operational system. So firstly you have to open camera, go to its settings, then go to the more settings and enable Google Lens suggestions. And now you can just scan anything with just your camera. So here I have QR code. As you can see, it spots it and immediately suggests me to open this page in browser. So yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code on Android 13. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.